Paddy people, they no go work today.
They see Ogbola Amayewa, they make noise all the time.
Yes, now make we do our own. Yes.
Hello, viewers.
Hello,
Good morning. Today na April 1st, and Paddy, the way they do it, we won't change the whole thing.
Yes.
Because people like say Ogbola Amayewa, they don't too much. Every time,
No only them.
yarn, talk the
Talk.
talk.
Everything.
Waiting.
We too, we feel young. We feel do.
One yarn.
Yes.
Yes. What will be the first story?
The first story. And how Ogbolo and Mayowa beat themselves. You don't forget?
You don't tell me that one before.
You know.
Say we know people like these people.
We
don't people like these people. But anyway, anyway, but see, they don't already tell us when we take over them. We should do this job very well. See, I am determined. And if I am determined, if you can do anything when you are determined.
Yes.
If you are determined, you can do anything. You can be anything. Just aspire to be it. Yes. What if that would be by how did it start that time first?
Mayowa go say, hello, viewer. What did they talk again?
That's how we just come before ourselves. But anyway, we should take over this place.
Yes.
Those two people, their own is too much. Wait.
See you.
Una well done, Una well done. I said una go dey do anyhow. Oh yeah, una dey go. So now, April waiting. It don't finish. It don't so una we go give una this thing now. What they worry now? Nonsense something. Realistic. What's wrong with you? I mean, everybody just they do this thing. No, they don't try also. You know they do any You come here, you cannot come here anyhow and just come and take us away from this place. What's wrong to you? Don't joke with us. We are capable. We are able. We are. Talk now. Talk something. Only me just there. They battle our battle.
It's just that. Look.
I mean,
let me tell you something.
I don't like all this.
The thing is,
it's
I
what?
cannot contend.
Yes.
Look. I want to give them that post.
Give them the something. Yes.
I cannot contend.
She cannot contend.
The exasperation of my
of
my wow moment when I walk in here.
Oh nah.
And I saw people, they want to capture and invade my private space.
Oh blagadarabane laye marege.
When we they talk about so it hurt me.
Oh Christ.
Because look, there can only be one Ogbola Amayewa.
Oh, there can only be one Ogbolo and Amayewa.
Yes. Okay, make I give you another one. May sing on top. You cannot photocopy. Is not easy.
Photocopy go easy. Original.
You can only run.
Run.
But you cannot meet us.
Oh,
you know?
no.
One le. That's it.
You can try, but you cannot reach there.
So next time, you see as I give you snake in the monkey shadow style now, when you fall down.
Oh, Osas, you see the one I give you?
Time.
I give you, what they call him, man?
Backflip punch.
Pow! And that other guy. Who me? I hit him now. No, you are busy with Sapali, with Iye. As you carry Iye, you know, see when I take care of that guy.
Excuse, I just want to confess something.
What's happen?
That carry when I carry Iye. That fall when she fall down.
Na joke.
No, be say na joke.
Na April Fool.
She heavy. So
don't try it.
That fall when she fall down, my brother, no be saying that me just get mine fall out for granted.
It's just a.
It fall from hand.
It's a flip. It's a flip. A flip of the fingers. A flip of it. And today that guy will just come follow me down for you just now. Waiting say go feature. To run this show, they don't say it's not easy.
It's not easy.
You have to be in a place mentally where things not just today okay, and at the same time you go find balance between the not so okay things and the very okay things, and find the middle ground where everything go fit work together in innuendo correspondum. You understand me now? Because right now we dey in another realm, in another level, in another place, mentally, spiritually, physically, nationally, environmentally, and every alley sanitationally, everything, moneyally, and every alley possible. You understand? So you have to be somewhere else.
Yes.
I don't face like this.
You need to know what yourself. You are in tune with the alley of the explanation.
With the times and
you
season.
need to understand that, look,
Yes.
for this show, this paddy show, look, your mental state and your physical state they have to collide. So when your mental and your physical, when they collide and there is a explosion, only then can you do paddy. But if you do not even have a mental state and your physical state, as long as they no meet, you can't do it. You understand? So paddy maybe say we decrease. It's just that our mental state and our physical state has a collision. That is it. It's called eruption of the IQ mission. Don't worry yourself.
Mayowa, you don't speak one, no.
Okay, you don't know IQ. When they say IQ high.
I can equal now. Osas, happy birthday to you.
Oh, yeah. And for people who be say today na their birthday, for everybody who be say their birthday na for April 1st, there's a nice way they always tell them a happy birthday. Oh my God, it's your birthday. You are so foolish.
Wow.
Because your birthday is on April Fool's Day. Wow. So my God, your foolishness is quite alarming. You are amazingly foolish.
We shakiti baba to you.
Yes.
We shakiti baba for you.
Foolish people.
You know, you're a foolishness yourself. You know, but happy birthday to you. Even though Saswe sit down here just now in bed, the dynamic of your office, you just come anywhere, come to Biraga anyhow. Happy birthday to you.
But you know, someone don't lie. When we enter and I see them, they think off me.
You're off your
you know, say for this place, anything
is possible. It's possible.
Don't worry yourself.
But well, ladies and gentlemen, happy new month.
Happy new month.
January.
It is my birthday.
Your birthday month. Now so natural.
All we Taurian are awesome people.
Oh yeah, Jeff. What if una way did this month? What if that thing they say una?
Taurus. We are Taurians.
Taurians.
Yes.
Una like fight, abi?
No, we are very, very friendly. We dey very, very we be amazing people, and we dey always there for people. We are always there for people.
We're there.
What happened? What happened? They tell you nonsense in your ear.
Nothing happened. No, he said they are there. He said they are there for people. Yeah, people are there for people.
We didn't say we used to dash or we used to give away. You say we are there for people. When you have something like emotional problem, or you have financial problem, or you have a physical problem.
Yes. And then every other problem.
Yes.
You help people take care of them. I mean, they are helpers, you know.
Mind, body, and soul.
Yes. Oh, dear. As it be like this now, make we run go. They welcome everybody to brand new month. All right, and this month, January have passed, February have passed, March, April. What have you done for TV month? TV month. What have you done for TV month? TV month. Maybe watch our first video first as we continue the show like this. All right? I don't sweat.
Oh my God, look at them. They're smiling. You guys love us. We know.
Michelle Obama, I want to marry your daughter. Huh? Michelle Obama, I want to marry your daughter. Huh?
That is so cool.
April Fool!
That is so cool.
That's what you tell her, say April Fool. The guy will say, it's not April Fool. You are a joke. Only you are a comedic. You are a comedian. Oh, my daughter. Oh, Bams. Leave speech. Come hear this guy. See Nigerian boy want to marry your daughter.
Agbolo, you know this is what I do for my face today.
What have you done to your face?
Oh my God, I like that approach.
You like it, Abi?
The approach.
It be like all those theater.
It be like theater stuff where we go talk to say the mind is deep.
The mind is deep now.
And the body is quite off.
And the body is quite hot.
The reason for this synonym.
The reason for this synonym
is because. Oh, what a sad reason.
Oh, what a sad reason.
But. I repeat, but. It's April Fool's Day.
It's April Fool's Day.
Thank you. Take it back.
Oh, thank you. These are the days of Elijah. All right.
Okay, so I've been talking something. You know what to say? Today I use powder way white past my face.
Why is it possible?
I didn't know because I'm thinking that maybe the powder is going to yellow me.
Boy, it's the same thing with your body.
You know, instead of bleaching, let me just use.
Boy, it's not far from your body.
No? Okay.
Nana Sabisha.
Okay.
No, so only one person if you know if person don't bleach.
Will you keep quiet?
That place, they change color. It the day in between, it remained the same. It remained the same.
Meanwhile, last week, we've been talking about why men they cheat. You understand? But this week, we are gonna be talking about why women cheat.
So today we have changed it now from last week men. Today we are doing a women day. Why women they involved for a cheating process. All right, but before we talk that whole gist, we need to go for a break right now. By the time we come back from the break right now, then we'll continue with the gist right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're not go anywhere.
Why do I suddenly feel attacked?
All right,
Why?
Attacked.
Yeah, by this topic.
It's self-emotional withdrawal.
Eh?
Break.
What? You understand? There has to be some boosting. You have to.
Yeah, from the man's side, there has to be a lot of daily boosting.
Yeah.
Sorry, Jare.
Okay.
They do family.
So today, we are gonna be talking.
Yes.
About reasons why women cheat.
Yeah.
It's not pure.
No pure.
You know what?
Enter area. Today.
Reason why women they come out, they go do la lovie for outside. You understand? Away match.
Now this cheating now.
Away match.
We need to balance it,
Yeah.
Because some people only say this cheating matter. Say only when you don't do la lovie.
Oh, of course not.
Make I let you know now. Emotional cheating day. And then la lovio cheating now be the higher brother of that one. But
okay,
all
wait.
na cheating.
You know waiting. I go define cheating. Cheating. Say what is cheating now?
What is cheating?
Wait again.
What is cheating?
Uncle I.
Please answer. Maya will answer you.
Okay.
Tell them.
Cheating. Now when you do get emotional connection with another person besides the person where you suppose they get them with. Now when I say emotional connection, it can be physical, it can be mentally, it can be
sexually.
Yes. You understand?
It can be, let's go and see a movie, Kali.
Yes, that's physically.
That's physically.
Emotionally. You understand?
Yes.
So when you begin to emotional attachment to somebody where you're not supposed to attach to.
Exactly.
Yeah, something like a cheating.
Cheating has started.
Yeah.
So that whole emotional place now be the starting point before you go enter a sexual place.
Thank you.
You understand? So
Yes.
all is cheating.
Yes.
All
it's a cheating cabinet.
You understand? So everything from when you don't see, say, don't they call one other person, pass the person where you're supposed to call. Cheating don't start. When don't they pay attention, they don't wait for one person call, pass the other person, pass your person call. Or don't they give more attention to somebody else. Or you carry phone, you won't follow one other girl, talk aside from your girlfriend or your wife. Or you want to follow another man, talk aside from your boyfriend or your husband. Cheating has started. All right, so be careful. So we go give una the ones that ready for our front quickly,
Yes,
because we don't get time.
You go hear where some women, because today we don't talk about women. So I know go there bias. Irrespective of the fact that I'm a woman. I know go there bias. I go just tell you real quick.
Bam.
Now you go hear some women go talk, say, I don't know why, but I just feel the need to talk to him. That is one reason why women cheat. Because the one where you keep for house, you are bored.
Some women boredom.
Make I talk from the angle of a marriage person. You understand? Oh, yeah. Maybe the husband where you marry, he don't tire you. Because say you get some men maybe say they feel they interesting while you date. The moment you marry like this, when real issues hit you now, bam! Business, hang out with my friends, boys game, this one, that one. So things when una they do together before. And because your life, you know, say women, it ain't easy for us to tie our life to one man. Or to tie our life to a certain way of life. So the moment where that thing no they work again, you become bored. Maybe together una they go watch movie. Maybe together una they do some kind of things. Una know they do them again. Nothing. And because women, we they proud. Plenty of us. Instead when we go sit them down, tell them say, boss.
Oh boy, see you.
This thing, oh.
Yes.
The matter not they be like this, so instead we go begin to find attention from another place.
Yes, another place. And oftentimes now another guy. One other guy just come your night in shining armor. Guy they give you the real gist. Say baby, more just go watch film.
You understand?
Maybe go do something. The next thing you just say, wow, he's sweeping me off my feet.
Yeah. I don't know what happened. When I want to sleep, I see his face.
So
that's one reason why we mentioned.
You have started the wahala with
Yeah.
that. All right. So one other reason, okay, that one way you talked just now, lack of attention, enter inside of those ones. Revenge, payback for past wrong. Revenge.
It's quite a soft reason. Very soft. Very soft.
Sometimes when the guy don't mess up before, you understand? You can't say, okay, the guy don't go do some kind of things. You don't go do some kind of, you don't go, maybe the guy before, don't first go Colombia and that babe for outside. Don't go, do some kind of things for outside. Now you won't come say, I want to pay back. I want to do my own back. I want to pay you back for past wrong what you don't do before. You can't go say you can't go down with a friend or person when you know, or maybe in boss or something. Oh, sometimes women they carry this thing for mind. When the man don't mess up before, they want pay and back. They want revenge of the ninja. So this one is one of the reasons to why women they go they cheat.
Another reason now, hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all of these years we could ring it all over. When your ex-boyfriend, you understand? When you jam, that's why they always tell women, no, they talk your relationship problem with your ex-boyfriend. If the ex-boyfriend still like you, it is a good opportunity for him to what? To penetrate.
Men naturally will be hunters. We naturally hunt.
Talk.
Any opportunity, just see, from experience.
And you know, say, we Lagos boys, no, they, no darling. No
so
darling.
You understand? So, not even follow your ex, they just some kind gist. You understand? Making it career, how your work, how this one, your life is okay.
Keep it simple.
Bye-bye. No go deep. No go to talk about some kind of things. All right?
Oh, I remember when we used to do this. Not do that
No, they
with your
remember,
ex.
no, they remember anything.
Before you know what is happening, your next thing is, oh my God, how did it get to this point?
Yes.
Oh God,
How did we get here?
Yeah.
You understand? You don't spoil things.
Yeah.
And women, for cheating levels, now they're bad because emotion they enter inside. Man, if you go cheat, emotion no go there inside. But woman cheats, a mansion can be brought down.
Another reason why women they cheat is low self-esteem. Now I'll bring it again from the angle of marriage. You see, if you know they appreciate your wife, she go begin to do everything she can to prove to herself say she fit get attention from other men.
Yes.
And that is esteem issues.
Yes.
So you need to understand. Say sometimes if you notice say your wife, even if na ordinary water she won't go buy.
Yes.
She dey always guard you. You understand? When we come out together, she dey always feel the need to be the center of attraction.
Yeah.
You need to sit her down and have this conversation with her. If you be say her self-esteem, whether you don't batter her, maybe you don't the way you give her compliment, or you know all those kind of things, is one of the many issues women share.
Yeah. So you have to be as man, you need to do constantly. They boost your babe, your wife esteem. Baby, you look beautiful. Even on the day where you know for your mind though, you know say you're not too pure. Tell her say pure. You understand? Yeah. You go to fill the tank. Every day you are now your work.
Now your work. Soft work. Another one when I want to talk about they come. You see, this particular one when I want to talk about it is very interesting because it's talking to you people. Do you know that many reasons why a woman cheats is when it's not really a very good.
No, when they swimming, you understand? The shopping rice, the lalovio, the everything. When you are supposed to be doing it well, you are not doing it well. You understand? That one's a big problem.
Or when you are starving her with it, you know,
exactly.
any small thing. Oh, please, I had a stressful day at work. I really do not have time for all of this. You understand? First day, second day, third day, my brother, she be now because she like you still they worry you. When she begin to get this thing from another place, she's not even going to think about it anymore.
You have lose it.
That is it.
You have lose it.
That's
so
simple.
man, as a man,
Do your duty.
do your duty well. Improve your style.
You understand?
Improve your movement. Improve your moves.
Snake
you
in the
understand?
monkey shadow.
Chandelier.
Yeah.
Do different burglary, everything.
What
Improve
is
yourself.
chandelier?
Chandelier that for up and I go hold again.
Shut up!
All right, so now you go finish talk.
No, one more.
Which one?
One more. The
Time
last
don't dey
one.
go.
Another thing, women don't trust women too much. If it be say she don't tire,
she
won't come up for the relationship.
But last in the whole thing, even if tired or anything, no ever allow anything. The best way you go feed you. That's why communication is very, very important.
Oh, yeah.
communicate with your partner where if he say you don't dey fall hand. So now go fit work on them not to cheat. You understand? Cheating and no.
It's a no. Totally, completely.
No.
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will run go for laugh the laugh. You understand? Because not to get time.
But just make sure that your game is tight.
Yeah, you have to be tight. Yeah,
because that's what we hold on to after all is said and done.
You understand?
Yeah.
After
Is it rubber or light?
come, what's your now? Now stay with the queue, what's your? Sam, na. There you go.
Let's see it down.
I'm a strong man, that gay, I'm a strong man.
He's asleep.
What we found there.
This is the... It's traffic.
Are you scared?
Yes.
Good morning. We found this in morning. What day are we today?
First day.
And what's special about today? Yes! What day are we today? Huh?
Oh my God!
What day are we today?
Friday.
What day? 1st of April! What day are we today?
Friday.
And Friday what?
Friday.
The day.
1st of
And what's on 1st of April?
April 4th.
Guys!
Oh my word!
For those of you who don't know, that snake not be real.
Not be real,
Na rubber snake.
Happy April Fool's Day to everyone, and enjoy the rest of the month, okay?
Yes,
and as we always talk, do something good with your life. Time no dey wait for anybody.
At all.
All right, that's why you go need to do something good. Follow us for Twitter because that's a really good thing you are doing.
Exactly.
If you follow us in Twitter, you are helping the nation.
Yeah, exactly.
How? Don't worry about it. But just know that you are helping the nation.
Exactly.
At Wazobia Paddy, follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia TV NG on top Instagram. Thank you so much. Say you watch Paddy. We love you. We love you. We love you. Why I get feelings as we come up for yesterday? Carry that snake on.
Well, I mean, we'll not feel run now. You feel run. Forget it.
Abi?
Get better months. Get better days. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.